Hello students, this video is for class 10th. I'm teaching you mathematics. This is fifth video of chapter number 13, surface area and volume. In this chapter, I'll teach you 13.3 exercise. So let's start exercise 13.3. This is exercise 13.3, question number 1. A metallic sphere is of radius 4.2 centimeter. Is melted and recasted into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So it is given that a sphere is casted into a cylinder and radius of both the solids is given. We have to find the height of the cylinder. So let's understand the question with the figure. This is a sphere which is casted into a cylinder. Radius of sphere is given in the question and radius of this cylinder is also given, and we have to find the height of the cylinder. Okay, so let's start the solution. It is given that radius of the sphere r is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Also radius of the cylinder is equal to 6 centimeter. Now let the height of the cylinder is equal to x centimeter. Now, because it is melted and recasted, it means both the solid shapes have same volume. If volume is same, it is given that the shape is melted and recasted into the cylinder. So their volumes are equal. So volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Therefore, 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of cylinder, volume of a sphere is equal to pi r square h. This is the volume of cylinder. So volume of sphere and volume of cylinder are equal. Now let's put the values. This h will remain here and pi r square will go in the denominator. Now let's solve this. H is equal to 4 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. 4.2 is the radius of the sphere divided by 3 into 6 into 6. 6 is the radius of cylinder. Now multiply by 10, 10 and 10 in the denominator to remove the decimal points of 4.2. So decimal points are removed. Now 6 sevens are 42, 6 sevens are 42 and 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So 4 into 14 into 7 into 7 divided by 1000 will be, see, let's solve it. It is h is equal to 2.74 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is 2.744. This is the answer. So let's continue. Next question. This is again exercise 13.3, question number 2. Metallic sphere of radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So how many spheres are there? 3 spheres are there. Are melted to form a single solid sphere. तो 3 sphere लिए उन तीनों को melt करके एक बड़ा solid sphere बना दिया. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. So here 3 spheres are there. First one is with 6 centimeter radius, next is 8 centimeter, next is 10 centimeter, and the resultant is suppose r centimeter. तो हम इसका r निकालना है. What will be the radius of the resulting? So all three are means volume of first one, volume of second one, and volume of third one will be added to find the volume of the resultant sphere. In this way, we will find the radius of the resultant sphere. Let's see the solution. For sphere 1, radius is equal to 6 centimeter and the volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. We can put the value 6 in place of this r. Okay, next is for sphere 2, again find the volume. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and we can put the value of this sphere 8 in place of this r. Next one is for sphere 3. Again, it is of 10 centimeter. We will put this value in the volume, we will get 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of all three spheres is calculated. Also, let the radius of the resulting is r. Calculate कर लिया, radius of resultant sphere is r. Now see, let me create a space. Next. Now the volume of resulting sphere is equal to volume of first sphere plus second sphere plus third sphere. Put all these values that we have calculated. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, r2 cube and r3 cube. In this one take care, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi is common. And in the left hand side 4 by 3 pi will go in the denominator. And what will we get? R3 is R cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi into R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube upon 4 by 3 pi. So 4 by 3 pi is cancelled with 4 by 3 pi. What is left? It is left R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube, and put the values of R1, R2, R3 given in the question. So R cube is equal to 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. Now solve this, you will get r cube is equal to 1728 and cube root of 1728 is equal to 12. So radius of the resulting sphere is 12 centimeter. This is the answer. In this way you can find the answer. Let's do one more question. This is again exercise 13.3, question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform. 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So means a well is in the shape of cylinder and the platform is in the shape of a cuboid, and if the soil or the mud or the earth which is taken out from the well is used to make that platform, it means volume of the well and the volume of the platform will be equal. So we will equate the volume of a cylinder and the volume of this cuboid. Let's see the figure first. Solution. It is given that the sphere of the well is in the shape of a cylinder with a diameter 7. Means radius कितना हो गया? 7 by 2. This is the well, and its mud or its earth is taken out to make this platform. It is cuboid. So volume of cuboid is equal to volume of this cylinder. Let's calculate both and equate them. In this way we will find the height of the cuboid. So radius is equal to 7 by 2 meter. Also depth is equal to 20 meter. Volume of the earth dig out or the soil or the mud taken out from the well be equal to volume of the cylinder. Okay. Volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. Now put the values of all these things. 22 by 7 is the value of pi into r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 r square, okay, into h is 20. Okay, now 7 is cancelled with 7 and 2 tens are 20 and 2 again 5s are 10. So it is becoming 22 into 7 into 5. So this is our first equation that we will use. Let's continue. Let the height of the platform is equal to h. So the volume of the soil from the well is equal to volume of the solid, that is cuboid. That is a platform in the shape of cuboid. Okay, let's calculate. Let me create a space. Now see, pi r square h is equal to area of the platform multiplied by height of the platform. Means this is also volume and this is also volume. Area multiplied by height is equal to volume. Okay, so area is length into breadth and height is h. So L into B into h is the formula for volume. Let's see. We know that the dimension of the platform is 22 into 14. And what is the height we have assumed? H is the height. So we will put the value of H here. Area of the platform is this. So pi r square H is equal to 22 into 14 into H. Now H will remain here and it is 22 into 14 will go in the denominator. So H is equal to pi r square. What is the value of r? 7 by 2. So 3.5 square into 20. Okay. On cancellation and solving, we will get the value of H. So H is equal to 2.5 meter. This is the answer. You can solve this very easily. So this is the answer. On the basis of this video, that is part 5. You start exercise 13.3 and in the next video you will see more concept of 13.3 only, and number of questions will be solved in the next exercise in the next video. So you please continue, you please start chapter number 13, exercise number 13.3. Okay, you can attend my online classes for doubt or anything. Thank you.